Have you ever seen the speedometer that shows car speed? Now, imagine there's a hidden speedometer in your phone that measures the device's performance moment by moment. Not only that, it even tells you where the lag is coming from. Is it the device or the app? This setting is called HWUI rendering profile, or, in technical terms, GPU rendering profile. Follow me in this very important video and learn information that most Android users don't know at all about this feature and its importance. How to enable this feature. This setting is inside Developer Options. If it's not already enabled on your phone, do the following. Open Settings. Select About Phone. Scroll to Software Information. Tap 7 times on Build Number. You'll get a message that says you're now a developer. Then go back to the main settings menu, and you'll find a new option called Developer Options. Go into Developer Options. Look for the option called Quick Settings, Developer Tiles. You'll find an option called Profile HWUI Rendering. Activate it. Then, when you want to use this feature, pull down the notification bar from the top. You'll see a button named Profile HWUI Rendering. Just tap it to turn it on whenever you want to use it. Let's now understand what these lines, waves, and colors on the screen mean, and which ones matter. First, the horizontal lines across the screen, green, yellow, red. These are fixed lines that define performance thresholds. Green line. This is the ideal limit. All the waves should stay under this line. Yellow line. This is a warning if the waves get close to it. Performance is starting to slow down. Red line. This is danger if the wave crosses this line. That means real lag is happening. Second, the waves, the colored bars that go up and down. To keep the video short, we'll focus only on the two most important waves to monitor. 1. Orange wave, rendering time. This is the most important one. It shows how long the device takes to draw the app's content, buttons, images, text. If the orange wave crosses the green line, that means the app is heavy or has design UI issues. This is what causes apps to freeze or respond slowly. Second, red wave, application work. This represents the time the app spends doing background work, like loading images or videos, performing calculations. If this wave crosses the green line, it means the app itself is not well optimized, or there's poor network performance, or the processor is under heavy load. How does a HWUI rendering help you as a user? You'll know the real reason behind lag is it the device or the app. When your phone freezes or lags, most people don't know why. This feature lets you see with your own eyes. Is the problem coming from the app or from the device itself? Weak processor, GPU issues, or a heavy user interface. A real-life example, so you understand perfectly. You have a phone that struggles when opening the Facebook app, it lags and stutters. You don't know. Is the problem with the app itself? Is the device too weak? Or something else? The solution. Enable the HWUI rendering feature. Step 1. Open a light app like Settings. You'll see all the colored waves below the green line. That means the device is fine and the app is light. Step 2. Open the Facebook app. Suddenly, the orange and red waves shoot above the green line and reach the yellow or red zone. That means Facebook is heavy, consumes more resources, and causes lag. So how did this help you in real life? You identified the root cause of the problem accurately. You avoided wasting time on useless cleaning apps, or unnecessary tweaks. So now you know where the lag is coming from. What should you do? First, if the lag is coming from the app itself, meaning the waves rise above the green line only when opening that app. Your steps. Update the app from Google Play. Maybe the current version has bugs. Clear the cache data. Try the light version or an alternative app. If it's still slow, uninstall and reinstall the app. Still lagging? Then the app itself is the issue. Report it to the developer or wait for an update. Second, if the lag is coming from the device itself, meaning the waves are high across many apps, even light ones, your steps. Reduce the load on your device. Close background apps. Uninstall heavy apps you don't use. Change your launcher. Use a lightweight launcher like Nova Launcher or Niagara Launcher. This reduces the pressure on the system UI. Update the system if there's an official update. Sometimes it fixes lag or improves rendering performance. If the device is old and weak, back up your data and do a factory reset. Or consider upgrading the device if nothing works. In the end, this feature doesn't just tell you where the problem is, it also saves you time. Hope this was helpful. Waiting for your support. See you in the next video, and wish you a happy day.